Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into BuzzSumo, detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into BuzzSumo, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.buzzsumo.com and hit enter. Wait for the BuzzSumo homepage to load completely. Once the homepage has loaded, look towards the upper right corner of the page. You should see a login button there. Click on the login button. This action will direct you to the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your BuzzSumo account in the email field. Next, move to the password field and enter your password carefully. After filling in both fields, look for the login button below them. Click the login button to proceed. If you have entered the correct credentials, you will be taken to your BuzzSumo dashboard. Should you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login form. This link will guide you through the password recovery process. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. If there are any issues during login, check if your email or password was entered incorrectly. Be sure to verify that you have an active internet connection. If you are still having trouble, you may want to clear your browser's cache and cookies, then retry. Once logged in, explore the various features BuzzSumo has to offer for your content research and analysis needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.